Life is definitely not about having, because at some point you will have to leave that behind. It doesn't matter how much you have. It doesn't matter if you have 100,000 acres or billions of dollars or pounds of gold or whatever it is. It doesn't matter because you will leave that behind. There will come a time in your life in which you're going to be separated from that which you have. So in reality, you never really had anything. It's also not about knowing, because at the same time, at the same point in life, you will be separated from knowledge. And it could be even years before actually passing away. Dementia, Alzheimer's, there's a lot of things that you can invest your time and your energy into knowing things that ultimately you're going to forget. Now, I'm not saying that's a bad thing to know or to have, but life is not about that. It's also not about the power of doing. Because ultimately, at some point, you will lose the power. You're going to be powerless. And it also is not about your beliefs, because the beliefs are only useful as long as the environment allows them to be. When the environment changes, you will change your beliefs faster than I can say it. So the beliefs also will have to come to an end. So what are you going to be left with? And again, I want to make sure that it's not sounding like I'm discouraging you from learning, from doing, from having, from believing. No, those are tools from your human experience. But that's not what life is about. What life is about is the total sum of the frequency that you collect through life. The frequency, meaning the informational pattern that your energy field has. That which we can call the spirit. The quality of your spirit is basically you. So if all those experiences about learning, knowing, doing, having, if those things are leading you towards having a high frequency state of being, quality spirit, then you will be when you get to the end of your life, you're gonna have your bags packed full of high quality experiences, high quality frequency, frequency. But it's not coming from the experience itself. You create that frequency through the experience. So regardless of what experience you're having, it's your duty, it's your responsibility to make sure that the frequency of your energy field, your biofield, your heart is at the level that you want to experience life at. So if you want to be miserable, you can have all the money in the world. You can be traveling through the world nonstop for X amount of years, and you're going to be miserable no matter where you're at. If you want to be sad, you can be having all the luxuries of life and you can still be sad. It's up to you to tune yourself into the frequency that you want. It's not about the experience out there, it's about the experience inside. The experience out there just gives you room to grow, room to learn to create your own high frequency, your own quality spirit within, regardless of what's going on outside. So this is just my personal experience. This is what I've learned to use as tools for a better life. So it's up to you, but you're certainly, these I can guarantee, you're not going to take really anything with you. Not the things that you have, not the knowledge that you acquire, not the power. You're going to become powerless. You're not going to have anything. You're going to leave. Even the body you're going to leave behind. Doesn't matter how many kale smoothies you drink, you're still going to leave the body behind, and the body's going to turn back to Mother Earth. So what are you going to take? The frequency of the inner experience. Focus on that. And then life becomes better and better and better. So anyway, see you in the next video.